Hey everybody, and welcome to another video from the Electronic Armory. I'm really happy to announce that I have finally been able to put together some iOS and Android live streams, and those are going to be coming up in the next couple of weeks. I'll put out a proper schedule in the next couple of days, and I have a newsletter on electronicarmory.com that you can sign up for where I'll be putting more details. And of course, simply keep an eye on the channel to see those coming in. In these live streams, you'll be able to ask questions, request features of example apps we're building in real time, seek a deeper understanding of mobile development topics. You can ask me these questions in real time as they come up. And you can also learn how to be an expert in all things mobile. I'm pulling together my 6 years of teaching at the university level and running a mobile development company for the last 10 years to create these live streams for you. I think these will be infinitely more helpful in accelerating your learning. Do I know everything? Certainly not, but I'll show you how to learn new things and how I learn them so quickly. Simply be subscribed to this channel, turn on notifications, and if you want to help me out, simply share this with anyone who's looking to learn mobile development. Knowing both Android and iOS development is a rare and highly sought out skill, so I hope you'll help me out by being a part of the live streams. What's the catch? I don't know. I've been planning this for about 2 years now, so it's time we got together and built some apps together in real time. Um, Oh, it's going to be a disaster for sure, but it's not necessarily what you know, it's how easily you can overcome your issues. And that's especially true with software development. So we'll make mistakes together, but of course, some of the best things that I've gotten feedback on is how we work through those errors, using the debugger, figuring out what those errors, those cryptic errors mean from the compiler, et cetera, et cetera. So I'll see you in a few weeks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.